The other topic is rationalization. Rationalization means rationalization. Rationalization. It means making denominator a rational number. Suppose you have written 1 by root 2. So here it is written in the form of p by q. Here p is a rational number and q is a irrational number because it is. So to make it rational number, we will multiply root 2 root 2 by root 2 because it will cancel out, so it will not give any effect, but we will multiply it so that to make the denominator a perfect integer. So root 2 into 1 you will get root 2, and root 2 into root 2 you will get 2. So this is the method of this will be we have rationalized the number, so this is the method of rationalization. So we are going to solve the exercise 1.5. One by one we will take the questions. Exercise 1.5. So we are going to solve the exercise 1.5. So first of all, clarify the following numbers as irrational or irrational number. So the first question of our exercise 1.5 is 2 minus root 5. It is a rational number. It is a irrational number because rational number minus irrational number will be equal to irrational number. Okay, why? Because it is an irrational number. The decimal expansion of this will be not fixed value, and the decimal expansion of this is a fixed value. But if you subtract, you will not get a fixed value. So it is an irrational number. Suppose the next question is the 3 plus root under 23 minus root under 23. So if you subtract this root 23 minus root 23, the number will cancel and you will get 3, and 3 is a rational number. So this is a rational number. Third question 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. 1 is a rational, root 2 is an irrational number. So by second point, product or quotient of rational number with an irrational number is rational number, or with an irrational number is an irrational. So this number is irrational. Fourth point, 2 pi. We know pi is an irrational number. So if you are multiplying any irrational number with a rational number, you will get an irrational number. So it is an irrational number. So the next question, exercise 1.5. This is exercise 1.5. Exercise 1.5. Question number. This was question number 1. Now we will solve question number 2. Question number 2. Simplify each of the following expression. Question number 2. Part 1. 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. To simplify this, we will multiply 3 with 2, again 3 with root 2. You multiply this with this with this, again this with this, and this with this. So you will get 3 into 2, that is 6, plus 3 into root 2, 3 root 2, plus 2 into root 3, 2 root 3, plus root 3 into root 2, that is root 6. So this is the solution. Again, the second part is 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. So you know the formula, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So here 3 plus root, suppose root 3 is b and 3 is a. So here it is written like that. So you will get 3a square minus root 3a square. That is 3a square is 9 and root 3k square. Root 3k square will be, the under root will be cancelled by the square. You will get 3. 9 minus 3, that is 6. Question number part 3 of this question. Root 5 plus root 2 whole square. So these are very simple questions. You know the formula a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here root 5 means a, root 2 means b. So root 5 plus root 2 whole square is equal to root 5 square plus root 2 square plus 2 into root 5 into root 2. So root 5 square will be 5 and root 2 square will be 2 plus 2 into root 5 into 2 and 2 into root 5 into root 2, that will be root 10. So 7 plus 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2 root 10. 2 root 10. 2 root 10. Simplify each of the following expression. We call pi is defined as the ratio of circumference of a circle to its diameter. Leave this question. Represent 9.3 on the number line. So we have to represent 9.3, root under 9.3 on the number line. We have to represent root under 9.3 on the number line. Question number 4. Question number 4. Hang on for 1 minute. So question number 4. We have to represent root under 9.3 on the number line. So here we will take, so this is, suppose this is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the number line, this is minus 1, so on. So this is 9. This is 9. This is 9.1, 9.2, 9.3. So this is representing 9.3. 9.3. So we have to take one more than this number. This is 9.3. So we will take one more than 9.3, that is 10.3. We are taking 10.3. So we will take 10.3. Now take the half of 0 and 10.3. The half of 0 and 10.3 will be how much? Half of 0 and 10.3 will be almost 5.15. 5.15. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 5.15. So taking this point as the center of the semicircle, this is half, this is half. Take a semicircle. Take a semicircle. Now draw a line perpendicular to this line, number line, on the point 9.3. On the point 9.3, it will cut semicircle somewhere. Now measure this length. This length will be equal to 9.3. Now taking the same length, put your compass on the 0. Okay, put your compass on the 0 and mark an arc here. Mark an arc here. Mark an arc here. So this point will represent 9.3 on the number line. Okay. Question number 5. Rationalize the denominator of the following. Okay, question number 5. Rationalize the denominator of the following. Question number 5. 1 by root 7. So to rationalize this, we will multiply it with root 7 by root 7. It will not put any effect because root 7 by root 7 will cancel out. So it will not put any effect, but to rationalize this, we have to multiply it with like this. So root 7 into 1 will be root 7, and root 7 into root 7 will be root 7 into root 7 means root 7 square. Root 7 square, and square will cancel the under root, therefore it will become 7. So this is the answer. This is the first part. Second part, 1 by root 7 minus root 6. To rationalize this type of number, we multiply with it with such a number so that it can become a number with no square root. So this is root 7 minus root 6. So we will multiply with root 7 plus root 6. Root 7 plus root 6. Why? Because we know that a minus b into a plus b will be a square minus b square. So to make the square of the under root, we will multiply with the opposite sign, the number with the opposite. This is root 7 minus root 6. So we will multiply with root 7 plus root 6 on the both side, upside and with the numerator and denominator. So if you multiply this number with 1, you will get the same value. You will get the same value, root 7 plus root 6. But in the denominator, root 7 plus minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6 means a minus b into a plus b. Therefore this is a square root 7 square minus b square root 6 square. So this is root 7 plus root 6, and root 7 square means 7 and root 6 square means 6. So root 7 plus root 6, 7 minus 6 is what? 1. This is 1. So it will become root 7 plus root 6. Again, this is the second part. Now we are moving to the third part, that is 1 plus root under 5 plus root under. Okay, actually we are going to solve the question number 4, fourth part. 1 upon root under 7 minus 2. So to multiply this, we will multiply it with root 7 plus 2 upon root 7 plus